Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace the pad driver or the pad on your machine here. Easiest way to get it off of the machine, we've already got it off the machine. Just go ahead and press down on this spring knob here. Now that releases the pad driver from the gimbal on the deck. Now go ahead and flip your pad driver over. Taking off the pad, all you gotta do is get the clip on your pad holder, take that off. Throw your old pad away and get your new one on there. Now, if you need to replace the pad driver because it's worn or anything, you need to take off your old pad holder. You've got 3 screws right here, 1, 2, 3. You remove those. Now that's your bottom plate. This is your top plate like this. Now if you need to replace it, go ahead and get a new one, but you need to buy the whole set. You need to get the bottom and the top. Putting it back on, just take the bottom, put it back on your new pad driver, and then put the screws back in. Get your new pad, put it back on, and clip that back down on there, and then you can take your pad driver, your new pad driver, slide it back underneath the machine, and put it back on the gimbal, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.